In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product from one store to another on Squarespace. This is a quick, reliable way to move your catalog between sites, perfect for a redesign, a new domain, or spinning up a separate storefront. We'll keep it simple and stick to the built-in export and import tools so everything stays consistent. Start on the Squarespace website that already has the products you want to copy. Make sure you're logged into the correct site. On the left-hand side, open Products and Services, then select Products to bring up your full product list. This view is your source of truth. You'll see titles, prices, and any variants you've set up. In the top right corner of the product list, click Export All. Squarespace will generate a CSV file, a spreadsheet-style file that contains your products and their details. Depending on how many items you have, this can take a moment. When it's ready, your browser will download the file. Keep track of where it's saved on your computer and avoid editing it before the import. The default headers and structure are what helps Squarespace map everything correctly. The CSV typically includes names, descriptions, prices, variants, SKUs, categories, tags, and image URLs, so you get a comprehensive transfer in one go. Now switch to your other Squarespace website, the destination where you want these products to appear. Again, on the left, open Products and Services, then choose Products. In the same top right area, click Import. This opens the product importer, which is designed to read the Squarespace CSV format and automatically match fields such as title, price, and options. Drag and drop the CSV file you just exported into the Import field. Confirm the prompts to begin. Squarespace will process the file, create the products on your new site, and pull in the associated details. If your original products referenced images by URL, Squarespace will fetch those too, so you don't have to re-upload media manually. For larger catalogs, give it a bit of time. You'll see the items populate in the product list as the import completes, and that's it. By exporting all products from your first site and importing that CSV into your second, you've duplicated your catalog with just a few clicks. This approach preserves your core product data and keeps everything aligned with Squarespace's structure, so you can move forward confidently on your new store.